Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing? We are moving into the weekend. Happy weekend to each and every one of you. You understand? Please just do well to take your time and rest and all that. I brought another topic to you today. Why you shouldn't tell anyone about your YouTube channel. At first, immediately when you open your channel or you create your account, please don't tell any family or any friends or your street members about your YouTube channel. I'll give you some reasons why you shouldn't, okay? Let me be real with you. Starting a YouTube channel is exciting. When you start a YouTube channel, at first, you'll be so excited. Yeah, what are you doing? I'm a YouTube channel. Really? You're a YouTube channel? Yes, I'm a YouTube channel. That kind of talk, you understand? So you got so excited, it might make you start sharing your YouTube name or your video link to people, telling them to watch your video, click on your channel. Okay, yeah, here's why keeping it private in the beginning might actually help you succeed. Okay, yeah, number one, let's go into it. First, I portion it, I think it was into 5, yes, into 5 reasons why you shouldn't tell anyone about your YouTube channel. So let's take it one by one and elaborate it. Number one, early judgment kills confidence. I will tell you the reason why I said early judgment kills confidence. Most people you tell won't understand your vision. You understand? These days, especially, I don't know whether it's happening in my country here. You understand? Some people, they are not too familiar with this social media stuff. Let me just be sincere with you. They are not too familiar about all these things. You understand? Immediately, if you tell them, the way they will, even the way they will look at you self, as if you're wearing the back of clothes. You understand? That is it. So friends or family might make passive comment like, when you tell friends and family, uncle, I have a channel, or sister, I have a channel, they'll say, really, you have a YouTube channel? They'll be looking at you as if you don't know what you're doing, or some even will say, oh, that's cute, that's all. The other one said they will even make a comment, you think you'll be famous. I don't know. With this kind of talk, first of all, they have discouraged you self. You understand? They have discouraged you about starting the YouTube channel. So even if they don't mean to discourage you, that tiny doubt can kill your confidence before you even get started. So you see, when they started making all these passive comments, you understand, it can even bring your morals down. It can even kill your this thing before starting. All right, this is what I came here to tell you. So guys, this is the reason too why you shouldn't tell anyone about your YouTube channel. You need time to stalk in private. Let me explain to you why I say you need time to stalk in private. Your first 10, 20, even 50 videos probably won't be that great. You understand? So for you to save yourself that shame, when you start your YouTube channel, you are not perfect. You understand? You're still staggering, you're still startling. When you're talking, you're still making wrong English, because of a camera that is you. It's not as if normally you will not speak good English, but because of that camera that is facing you, you're talking to camera, you forget your tenses, you forget where to put is, you forget where to put was. You understand? I don't know if it's happening to you. Please write it down on my comment section. This is what I'm battling about now, because immediately I put camera on my face, I forget my English word, I forget where to put is, I forget what to say. But immediately I remove that camera, I will speak fluently, I will speak perfectly. I don't know. So this is the number one reason. You understand? Okay, so actually you won't be that good. Okay, that's okay. Out of, if your co-workers or classmates are watching, you will feel pressure to be perfect in any way. You understand? I didn't mean that your co-workers or your classmates, you understand, are watching your YouTube channel, and you face camera and started startling like this. You understand? You feel like, this person is watching me, I have to be perfect. You understand? In everything I do, I have to be perfect. So you'll be putting unnecessary pressure on yourself. Okay, so you feel pressure to be perfect way too early. So you start playing it safe instead of learning and experimenting. You understand? You start selecting your words. There's some English they call selecting English. You'll be speaking one by one, thinking of where to put your is, where to put your was. You just be selecting it small. You understand? That's selecting. I used to say is selecting English. You understand? Instead of you to free yourself, talk anyhow you want. With time you improve. With time you get used to camera. Okay. But third, support doesn't equal growth. Yes, let me explain to you. People think if I tell my family, I will get views and sub. Yes, people, although if you tell your family, some people might subscribe, but some people may not watch your video. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Or you may force them to subscribe and watch at that first video. They won't come back again to give you support to watch another video. That is the real fact. So it's better for you to grow your audience here, make a new friends, if a new people that will be engaging with your channel. You understand? Leave family member out from this thing. Okay, so maybe, but those views aren't targeted. You want subscribers who are about your niche, not just your circle. You understand? You want people to follow you because of they love what you do. You understand? They love the content that you're creating. They love everything that you do, not because they want to support you. They are your family, or they are your friends, or you people are living in the same clothes, you know, that kind of a thing. So please, you understand? So a channel with 100 random friends subscribe is weaker than one with 10th time fan. You understand? If you have a channel, if you have a channel that subscribe with 100, maybe you'll be telling people subscribe to my channel. If you go on the street, all your church members, you have told them about your channel, that they should help you to subscribe, and they just buy one particular channel with 10 subscribers, but they are engaging, they just love this channel and they subscribe, is more stronger than the one that have 100,000 subscribers, because just have mercy on you and subscribe that once. They will not come back again to your channel. That is just the gospel truth. So please, this is from telling people aside from YouTube. Please, this is from telling people about what you do on YouTube, your channel. Okay, with time they can stumble on your channel. Maybe they like what you do, they decide to follow you. Number 4, why you should stop telling people, why you shouldn't tell people about your YouTube channel if you're a new content creator. Number 4 of it is you avoid the performance mood trap. Okay, let me explain to you. When people know you are doing YouTube, you might start thinking, what would they think about me? You understand? You know, when people know that you're like, now I'm in my family, I told them that I'm doing vlog. You understand? You know, vlogs is, in your vlog, in your lifestyle, is where you share your life, you know, where you talk about some things that are bothering you to your, when you have a stronger audience, you know, you understand? When you share some secret things, which you want, if people that want to share secret things is in your lifestyle channel, in your vlog, that is why you do, where you do all those things. You understand? So I now came to give my family member, you understand, that you should subscribe to me. You understand? I know that the back of my mind, I know that my family member is on this channel, so I will be selecting words, I'll be selecting things that I put out here. You understand? So that they will not assume that I'm talking, or I'm bringing them out, or I'm saying all sort of things. I don't know whether my explanation is clear. You understand? So that is what it meant. So you know, I'll be thinking, hi, these people that know me right from outside the YouTube, hi, if I fail, they will laugh at me, you know, that kind of a thing. So it's not too good. Performance will be just be faking your performance, because you know, people here, you will not be in the mood, you know, that kind of a thing. That is why I said authenticity is what actually builds real audience. So please, if you're not comfortable of telling people outside from YouTube, or your family members, to join your YouTube, please don't do it, so that you will be free to share anything that you want to share. You understand? Yes, you'll be free to share anything that you want to share to your audience without any trouble. Number 5, let the work speak first. Let me tell you why I said let the work speak first. There's something powerful about building quietly. You know, when you build underground, there's something powerful about it. When you do decide to share it, maybe after 30 videos, you will be more confident. You understand? Just wait, so that you'll be more confident, you understand, before you start telling your family members, or your friends, or your neighbors, or your church people about your YouTube channel. Okay, you will become confident, your content will be sharper, and people will respect the fact that you have already done the work. You understand? They'll be calling you expert. You understand? That kind of a thing. So wait until you become confident before you start sharing your YouTube channel. So guys, let me tell you the bottom line of this thing that I'm saying now. Let me tell you just the bottom line. Don't seek validation. You understand? Build, improve, be consistent. Let your content speak for you. You understand? Let the content speak for itself. You don't need to open mouth to tell people about your channel. You understand? Before you announce it to the world, let your content speak for you before you announce it to the world. Make YouTube your secret grind until you are proud to show it off. You understand? Exactly. This is what they make as in keep your work underground. It's even good, let them discover you by themselves instead of you talking about it. You understand? Because when you talk about it or tell them to help you to subscribe, they'll be seeing it as if you don't know what you're doing. You don't understand what you're doing. You understand? So let them, if they're on YouTube or anywhere, let them discover you, or let them hear where people are talking about this person. You know, that kind of a thing. So this is the reason why I tell you shouldn't display or you shouldn't disclose your YouTube channel to anybody first when you're first on YouTube. All right, if you're new here, you're welcome to my channel. If you're an OGs, please, you're welcome. Please, thank you all for coming back and be watching my video. Okay, I will see you in my next one.